Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone settings. Quite a lot number of people are not aware that whether you open apps, you are working on apps, or you turn off your phone, quite a lot number of apps are still running in the background of your Android phone. And as a result of that, it drains your battery and make your phone slower each time you are having access to the phone. The best thing you need to do is to make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to disable all background apps that make your Android phone slow and that drain your Android phone battery without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Android phone settings. After you open up your Android phone settings, next thing you want to do is to enable developer mode on your Android phone. And for that, go ahead and click on my phone. And what you need to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on phone fashion. Then what you need right here is build number. Tap on the build number 7 times to enable a developer mode. For that, I'm going to tap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just like so. Just like so, you are now a developer. After you are able to turn on your developer mode, that is when you can now disable all apps running in the background that are draining your battery and make your phone nagging each time you are having access to the phone. So for that, go ahead and click on back, and then what you need to do right here is to click on search right here. So what you want to do is to click on here and go ahead and type in developer, then hit search. Now, next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on developer options. Now you are in the developer section right here. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. 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 Continue to scroll down until you get to background process limit right here. Go ahead and click on background process limit. By default, you must have one settings right here. However, for you to disable all background process on your Android phone, what you need to do is to go ahead and switch to no background process. Once you switch to no background process, then exit from your developer and restart your phone. And with that, you have disabled all background apps that are running in the background of your Android phone. And as a result of that, you are improving the lifespan of the battery of your Android phone. And at the same time, you boost the RAM and processor of your Android phone, and the speed of your Android phone is going to be drastically improved, and the battery life is going to be boosted as well. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Android phone and important settings on Android phone like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.